This is a demo of sorting, selecting, and grouping for the Fulton Software Union Membership System for a small device like a phone. Please watch the introductory video for mobile before watching this video. I'm going to work with members mostly during this video, but the same basic ideas apply to employers and remittances. See that you can select on the basis of an identifying key such as social insurance number, social security number, or just an internal ID number, or name. You can also select on the basis of status and employer. I'm going to select Fulton Software, and I'm going to leave that checked so that we'll get active only. Go down, click OK. And you can see that the list has come up in alphabetical order. Because we want to do some filtering or sorting, we're going to click on column menus. You see that little icon has come up down here. Some of you will have the system configured so that this comes up automatically in this way. I'm going to demonstrate setting up a sort order. I'm going to sort with a major key of gender and a minor key descending of social insurance number. So first click on the column menu for sex, and then we'll click sort ascending. That takes a few seconds to come about. And then I'm going to scroll back. Now on a phone you can just swipe to do this. And I'll click the column menu again. Click sort descending. And that also takes a few seconds. Let's see if we can kind of get them both in frame here. So you can see it's sorted primarily by sex and then in descending order by social insurance number. Now I'm going to go back to locate, and this time I'm just going to select all active members by just clicking OK. And then I'm going to click on column menus, and I'm going to select all the members whose name starts with A. And you can see that it's done that. You can specify multiple conditions here. For example, I could change this to OR and say starts with B. So each member is being evaluated against this condition. So I'm checking to see if their last name starts with A or it starts with B. Let's click filter to actually compute the set of selected members, and you can see it's done that. Now you can also do selections on multiple columns. For example, I'm going to select on the basis of equal to Fulton Software, or it's equal to Volcano Software, You'll note in a situation where a field has a restricted set of values, you actually get a drop down here in order to select one of those values. Just click filter on that. And you can see it selected just those two members. And if you wish, you can also just clear the filter. And that basically selects everybody without using that filter any longer. So now we're back to just everybody on the list. As you can see, if you go to the next page. You can also group the rows on the basis of a column. First, I'm going to enable grouping. Then I'm going to drag the employer column up there. And now you can see that the list is grouped by employer. Note that grouping takes about 20 seconds, and I cut that from the video. Now I'm going to go back and just do a locate for members starting with A. And show you how you can add extra data columns to the list. If you click here, we could add extra data, which tends to vary a bit between sites. And if you scroll right, you can see that there are extra data fields added on to the end. And let's also take a look at totals. Now totals are let's do that again. Totals are always for some particular period. This defaults to year to date, but I'm going to change that to just be January of 2016. So let's move right in the list, and here we've got our totals columns. You can sort and select on those just like you do on the other columns. Oh, by the way, it takes about 20 seconds to compute the totals, and I've cut that from the video. And that's it for this demo.